Belly fat, for women, to desire. Women, to desire. Learn more about belly fat. Fat carried throughout the body beneath the skin is called subcutaneous fat, and its hazards are largely cosmetic. The fat found deeper within your body, called visceral fat, is associated with belly fat. Visceral fat surrounds your internal organs, and results in some serious health risks. Visceral fat wraps itself around internal organs, such as the intestine, kidney and liver. This kind of belly fat is unrelated to the fat cells that are found as subcutaneous fat. Understand the health hazards of belly fat. Some of the conditions associated with visceral fat include cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and colorectal cancer. Patients with high levels of belly fat were 3 times more likely to develop dementia. Research indicates a connection between high levels of belly fat and premature death, no matter what the person's overall weight might be. This means even if your body mass index, BMI, is within normal levels, you might still be carrying a dangerous amount of belly fat. Another hazard is developing insulin resistance, or metabolic syndrome. Measure your waist to learn if you have too much belly fat. Wrap the tape measure around your stomach, just above your hip bone. Pull the tape tight, but not so tight that it pinches you. It should fit snugly and be even all the way around. When you've got the tape measure in place, exhale and relax. Pinch your thumb and forefinger together at the measuring tape, in order to see what your measurement is. For women, a waist measurement of more than 35 inches, or 89 centimeters, is associated with high levels of belly fat. Make sure you're not sucking your stomach in, or your information won't be accurate. Remember that this measurement is not about cosmetic concern.